In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a front elevation in Planner 5D. If you want to create a front elevation like this that also includes a basement, you can watch our separate video titled How to Create a Basement in Planner 5D, where we have explained and built this complete structure step by step. In this video, we will focus on a simpler structure, such as a basic house or a house with a garage, and show you how to elevate the house entrance. First of all, open your project and switch to 2D view so you can clearly select and edit your structure. Choose the part of the building where you want to create the elevated front. The key idea here is that you will be increasing both the flooring height and the wall height to lift the structure upward. Start by selecting the room or structure and increasing its flooring height. For example, if you increase the flooring height by 100 centimeters, you must also increase the wall height by the same amount. So if your wall height was originally 270 centimeters, you should increase it to 370 centimeters. This ensures that the proportions of the structure remain correct after elevation. Once you apply these changes, you will see that the structure is now raised above ground level. The next step is to adjust the position of your windows and doors. Select each window and increase its elevation so that it aligns properly with the new wall height. Do the same for doors by adjusting their elevation so they match the raised entrance level. After adjusting doors and windows, you need to create access to the elevated entrance. Go to the Build section, scroll down and select Stairs. Browse through the available designs and choose a staircase that fits your style. Place it at the front of your structure. Once the stairs are placed, switch to 3D view and adjust their height so that they connect perfectly with the elevated entrance. You can increase or decrease their height gradually until they align properly. You can also adjust their width and length depending on your design preference. If needed, you can explore different stair styles or even combine multiple elements to create a more detailed front elevation. The goal is to make the transition from ground level to the elevated entrance look smooth and realistic. After making all adjustments, review your design in 3D view. You should now have a clean elevated front with properly aligned stairs leading to your entrance. You can further refine the look by adjusting materials, adding decorations, or modifying proportions. Using this method, you can easily create a professional-looking front elevation for your home design, and this is how you can create a front elevation in Planner 5D.